So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add people to a document here on the Google Docs mobile application. So if I just were to go ahead and type in add people right here and you want to add people to your doc so they can edit it, etc., go to the top right to where there's the human icon with the plus. Go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in someone's name to add. You can also go to the bottom left and manage access that way. So if you wanted to type in someone's email address, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go to the top right here and manage access this way if you want, but you can basically just go to the top, type in whatever people you want to type in, and then share it with them, and then they can go into your document and write stuff, and obviously they have access to it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once again, go to the top right, press the plus arrow icon this way, and share it with people, but that is how you can add people to a document here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.